Morning.
Hello, good morning.
How we doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Enjoying the excuse to stay in and relax.
Wow, gold is still falling.
Yeah, gold fell. Holy shit.
Yeah, gold is falling further. I sold gold from 1518 till 1508.
Oh, that was nuts.
Yeah, my target was this 1512, but it fell further, and I'm like, man, wow, it's like it's moving 50 pips, 40 pips. I mean, it's just crazy, man. It's just insane. So much volume. Like at one point, I was in a 25 pip drawdown, and I'm like, what? 25 drawdown, and then I put my water to like a boil. I went to the washroom, came back. Literally in 4 minutes, it was like up 100 pips. Like, look at this. Wow.
It's in free fall, man.
$20 move down. This would have been $10,000. What the fuck? Wow.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Chris.
What up, dude?
Hey, what's going on?
Alright, man, not too bad. I've
Like
survived Corona weekend, so good. Alright.
Nice. Like in one end of the spectrum, people are losing jobs, and in the other end of the spectrum, we're just making stupid money from these big moves.
This game we call Forex.
This game, bro. Like
Yeah.
I opened a 5 slot, and my aim was like just get like 10, 15 pips, and I'll be done.
Oh, already?
Yeah. And
For real? Oh, nice, man.
yeah, I sold at 1518, and this thing dropped. I'm like, what?
Nice, man. We had some good ones this morning. I've done about 80 pips on New Zealand dollar, I think it was. This GJ was playing, and then it eventually broke down, and we had some good trades on that too. So, yeah, man.
Oh man, my day's done. I mean, I don't know what else to do now. I mean, it's just so crazy moves. Jesus.
Have you decided about your trip yet, or do you not know?
Oh, for Miami?
Yeah, I didn't want to say if you're not. Yeah.
Yeah, see, Canada is going to make an announcement, and based on that, I'm going to make my own announcement.
Okay, fair enough. I was going to say, I didn't know if you guys have got anything different. Did they stop the subways with you?
I'm not sure, but they're trying to stop the rail because less people are coming on, so it's a waste of resources,
Yeah,
let's say.
yeah, I get you.
I was reading the Canada travel advisory. So far, they haven't really banned anything. They've mainly blocked off travel to like main European countries and some Asian countries. When it comes to US and the UK, they just say that exercise caution.
Yeah, that's the same as what we got basically. They said it's your call, but internal movements has been haven't really. They just said they've advised against it if you can help it, but it's not really stopped no one.
Oh, from what I see here, from our perspective, the UK doesn't give a shit.
Not
They're
really,
basically
mate,
like,
no.
if you're over 70, exercise caution.
If you're over 70, you've got problems. The rest of you just go party and do whatever. Basically,
Yeah.
that's exactly it. And that's what we've done this weekend. I'm fine at the minute, but we'll see. Actually, I didn't know until I got home that where I was is probably the highest contagious area. And I was like,
Oh, interesting.
maybe I should have thought that out. But yeah, when I was in the tube and out having a few drinks, yeah, it didn't make no difference. So yeah, although you can see people that are generally it's not as busy in London as normal.
Yeah.
It's definitely not as busy as people paying attention, I think, but
Yeah.
still busy.
But like to be honest, the London boot camp, it's still on the go.
Yeah, unless you get a travel ban, I don't think
Oh
you'll
no,
have a problem. Yeah.
no, it's not, there's maximum there's going to be a 2 week travel ban
Hmm.
because like bro, economies can't support travel ban a month-long travel ban.
Yeah, it's not going to make sense. This is why I think the UK are not doing anything right now. We were talking about this morning. I think it's pointless to ban people in and out, but it might come. That's the thing. I think it will come for a little bit, but
Yeah.
it can't be held on for long. It's not worthwhile.
UK is probably thinking that Theresa May was bad enough, so Corona is just okay.
Ain't nothing. Ain't nothing. Oh dear. Oh, I'm gonna make coffee. I haven't had a break yet.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning,
I left
Rich.com.
Canada. Yeah, I left Canada yesterday because I'm not sure if Trump's going to ban the border or not. It's very unpredictable right now.
Oh, the US-Canada border?
Yeah, there was just talks about that and stuff like that. So I was like, fuck it, I'm going home.
Oh, you're going home, eh? Yeah. Are you in Vancouver right now, or
No, I left Vancouver yesterday.
Man, I don't think they will close the US-Canada border for a week.
You don't know, but yeah.
I don't know, man. Like, cause like a lot of
Go
people
home.
travel between the two countries. That'd be crazy if they do. But man, this gold sell was crazy. It was amazing. I was targeting this wick over here, and I sold when it was pulling back, and wow.
Yeah, I caught that, and then like when it broke support, I wanted to get in again too. This is it's crazy.
Just insane.
Good morning, señoritas.
Hey, good night, Kevin.
Good night. Yeah, I know.
My day's done, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mine too.
I don't know why we're here.
Yeah, I don't know. It was an amazing sell, to be honest. Because after I closed my first entry, then I took another one based on the 1 minute, and it was breaking below the 15.17. So fuck, I took the sell, and man, 9 seconds later, I was in profit 50 pips more.
Wow.
Well, Curran, because of you, I got the sell. I saw your sell, and then I was like, hold up, look, 15 minute, whipped up, went back down, boom.
Yeah, my thing was loading. I was aiming for 1512, and the price loaded from 1516 to 1506. Like, what?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Federal government is going to close all but 4 international airports today. What does that mean? They will close all but 4. So they will leave 4 airports open today. Probably going to be the Toronto airport will be open. I think the major airports are going to be open. The major airports, like the main New York airport, Miami airport, California, like all the major airports are going to be open. Small shitty ones are going to be closed probably. Like the one in Hamilton. Watch this, GJ. Support pre-London. Resistance London open. Support Premier. Oh, did someone take this buy over here? The 30-minute candle? Oh.
Well, yeah, Taman was talking about the GJ buy.
Yeah, this would have been a good buy over here.
Yeah.
30-minute close bullish.
Yeah, missed that.
It's
Oh.
still in it.
Yeah, that was the move.
That was a nice one.
30-minute close bullish. Move up to do a potential retest. So much range. The great thing is that there's so much ranges now. Like catching 10 pips is nothing. It's just
Exactly.
catch 20, 30 pips. Or the 20 pip gang.
Yeah, the problem is the stop loss must be bigger. And
Yeah.
your entry is going to be looking for a 1 minute or 5 minute candles. It's very scary, but it pays really good.
Yeah, it's still fine. Like the stop loss is directly proportional to take profit now.
Yeah.
Just got to manage lot sizes. Are precious metals falling because of the Fed rates cut? Precious metals are falling because everyone's selling off. From what I was reading was that China was really liquidating gold to buy back its shares in its major companies. Raja, I have difficulties in these times with my stop loss. My friend, people have difficulties in these times traveling. I have difficulty. Yeah, I'm telling you, everyone's trying to get cash. Everyone's trying to get cash. I have some cash in my safe. I'm gonna go to the bank and get some more cash. Man, if things get shut down, I want to be the one to have cash.
Well, the problem is everything is gonna be closed, so you don't have any way to buy anything with cash either.
That's true.
It's pretty scary though. I don't know in Canada, but right here in Miami, stores are getting out of milk, eggs, basic stuff. It's pretty scary.
Oh, great time to go vegan.
Not for me, man. I have
Yeah.
a lot of iguanas in my patio, so I'll be fine. I can't be killing iguanas for the rest of the coronavirus thing.
Man, the best place to buy eggs and milk are from Indian stores and Pakistani stores.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
What?
yeah, it's like a hack. Yeah, they always have it. They'll have it all the time.
Yeah, that's the same in the UK as well. Everywhere's got rice and pasta and all that.
Yeah. Can a brokerage ever go bankrupt? No. I asked this question to Ted yesterday. He gave me a very good answer. I can't repeat that answer because I can't formulate it into simple words. Oh, we got a chart coming in. Go. 1512. Stop loss just above resistance. See, this doesn't make any sense. Your stop, I mean, you show a daily chart. It just doesn't make it. I mean, I don't know, man. Good luck. There's no market. I mean, you should drop down to the smaller time frame and then do this. That's just doesn't make any sense. Sorry.
Let's go, GJ.
Yeah, it's gonna continue here, GJ.
Yep.
You just gotta lower your lot sizes and just.
Just got a runner going, so I didn't take any gold trades though. So.
Man, all I've taken this year are like just gold.
Just gold.
Yeah, gold buys and now just gold sells.
Last week was a good week.
Gold has made me stupid money. I mean, it's just. I was telling someone yesterday, I mean, this doesn't even seem real. Honestly, this doesn't even seem real. My buddy was complaining to me yesterday, oh, they cut the hours at work, and I'm just inside just saying, oh man, it's so bad. Did I miss anything? No, not really. Not really. Gold continues falling over here. So looking at the daily, looking left, maybe this is the next area it's going to come down to. 1480. If you go to the 4 hour, look left. Looking left on the 4 hour, the first issue, minor issue, we see at like 1500. And then right here, 1489. These are still big ranges. I mean, this 4 hour candle, wow, that's the $10 range. Oh, we already tapped into 1500. See if that 1500 breaks. Looking left, you see a clean move that went up. So just a clean move is going to go down to 1489. See how the pre-markets. Raja, it's nonsense. You teach them it works on all time frames.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. And man sharing you something, asking for help. Well, if you look at this chart, if you look at this daily chart, you know, there's no market structure that is shown, which is why I said that this is just good luck. You know, there's no market structure. It just says gold trend down. Price broke below the wick of low of the previous candle on daily. Clean traffic, stop loss above resistance. I mean, it's a daily resistance. This is a huge range there. You know, you have to drop down to the smaller time frames and then break it down. That's how you learn. That's why I said good luck on the daily, because you don't see any market structure. This makes much more sense, because if you drop down to smaller time frames, then you can identify a better stop loss. Man, I'm just trying to help you guys, and you guys think I'm being rude. Come on.
So it looks like gold is gonna continue dropping before New York.
Oh, nice. Alex P got a runner. What is the best way to add positions? I think in the start you shouldn't focus on adding positions. You should focus on how to execute with a decent stop loss. Man, you seen this? The spread on gold? It's massive. It's like 3 pips, 2 pips, 4 pips. It's just insane. Gold is acting like USD ZAR. How far is GJ heading here? Let's take a look. Oh, GJ's approaching potential support.
Oh,
All right, there you go, bro. 60.
Oh, 1495.
Fuck.
Damn.
This is so easy to trade. All right.
Wow.
I closed another 60 pips in gold.
60 pips in gold. Wow, man. This is just crazy.
Yeah.
retarded.
Wow. So much money is flowing in these candles.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's pretty scary.
Yeah. Okay, this is a good support on GJ here. If this breaks, there's a free fall.
Yeah. Jesus.
Oh wow.
Also.
1491. Oh, approaching target over here.
Gold is dying.
Yes, I just don't understand. I mean, this thing has fallen. Wow, 200, almost 300 pips since my entry.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow, it's crazy. Well, there you go. Reached and oh,
Yeah.
I guess it's going more now. I mean, I don't know, man. It's just holy man. If you're not getting excited by these moves, I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I caught another like 20 pips.
Yeah, look at that.
This is crazy.
That whole move is filled like nothing. Jesus.
Yeah, I missed a lot of the good moves last week when you guys hit it, like on Friday.
Yeah.
Man, Friday you did a good one.
And now you're getting all of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. God damn. This almost feels kind of unfair, but I mean, at the same time, it's not. My buddies are complaining how, their hours are being cut down at work, and just like, well, I'm just selling gold here, 5 lots. Do you feel like 4-hour wick on GJ will get filled? I don't know. GJ's pretty heavy at the support right now. If this breaks, we're continuing down. Wow, gold is still going. Gold dropped $10 from that.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, man. What's going on over here? Wow, it's still dropping. This is the market crash, man. I don't know what it is. Well, there you go. You won this trade. Who was it? 1474? Almost there. 1474. Jesus Christ. What do we do with gold? Wow.
I had entries on gold last night, but I cut them. I should have held it.
Futures are down like 1,000 points. S&P down 100 points. 400 points. Oh shit. It's just a bloodbath. Look at this. Everything's down. Now usually when these things are down, gold should go up, but everything is losing money.
Yeah, everything is losing money.
Indices are doing good a little bit.
Indices are shut down. Indices, stocks, I think everything is closed.
Yeah.
They halt everything. Even though with the Federal Reserve, they cut the rates, so they expected the indices to take a jump and everything start recovering, but still the market's pretty scared.
Tomorrow we have high impact news, so actually how big will this... Well, I guess every day is a high impact news here.
Yeah.
GJ breaks the support, where it's gonna head down. See, I'm not taking another trade. I'm already done for the day.
128, 200.
Oh yeah, 128.
Yeah, on the daily.
128.
Close. Close.
Trust in me. Wish I got in a gold at the beginning. Well, Roger should cash in my gold jewelry. Yeah.
Yeah, gold just dying even more.
Yeah, it's just dropping more, man.
That's fucked up.
That's just fucked up. I know.
That is fucked up.
It just
I love gold.
600 pips, man. Just
Holy fuck. Shit. Today's a good day.
yeah. Like I mean, if you look at it from a like a fundamental price, it dropped from $1,540 down to $1,460. So that's a $670 change.
In what? Half an hour?
It's just nuts, man. This daily candle fluctuated $100 on gold. That's massive. I've never ever seen this ever.
What do you think New York will do to it?
I have no idea what New York is gonna do,
You
man.
sell that shit at all gold, man.
That's
Just pick up,
That's a good
sell
question.
$1,000, sell and whatever. Fuck. This is so easy, man.
It's gotta be very, very careful. Especially trying to buy gold. Oh man.
Yeah.
No shit, man.
No. Like this candle opened and it fell 60 pips.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Oh, we have the overtrader here now in the building.
No, he's gonna be full margin.
Can rakeel, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, you sound sick, man.
Damn.
Euro New Zealand. Yep. This looks good. I wouldn't necessarily take this trade. I mean, if you've traded this pair before, you think it's gonna work out, this looks good. I would probably buy above this area here. The thing is Canada going to cut rates today? US cut rates, Japan keeping the rates the same. Spain, man, yesterday the corona cases in the entire Canada, the numbers were coming out like voting. You know, it's like, it was like voting. Ontario, 2 new cases. Manitoba, 4 new cases. I'm like, is this someone getting elected? What's going on? Who's sending these numbers?
Oh wow, DJ did drop to my target.
So your super target got hit on GJ.
Ah, look. Yeah, I was sleeping.
How many trades you said you do? I focus on 1 or 2 trades. I already took 1 trade, a gold sell, and that's about it.
That's you done for the week.
Yeah, like I've been taking things really, really easy.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Nice trade, Macedonian.
No, I didn't take it.
Oh,
I was sleeping.
Oh, I remember this one.
Yeah, super target got hit.
Yeah, nice. Your markups are getting way better.
Yeah, thank you, man.
You know, one more thing I'm going to recommend is to add numbers like to your labels. What numbers do, like when someone reads the chart, the numbers tell the person what's your thought process. Like which one to look at first, then second, third, fourth. Like, you know what I'm trying to say?
Oh, for like the YouTube.
No. Just for like, it just makes the chart labeling very nice.
Well, you know how I trade, so
Oh yeah. No, I'm just saying, it's just like it's a compliment.
yeah, no, but Raya says, like, for example, the first comment you're making, label it like 1,
one.
and the second 2, and
Yeah.
because the person is gonna read it.
Like for example, what will first be number 1?
Mhm.
Well, whatever thought comes to your mind. Like if someone was to look at this chart, let's say if someone's new, right? Let's say a 5-year-old looks at this chart, you know. So the 5-year-old wouldn't know which comment to look at first.
Oh, okay. So
Like,
I
yeah.
will go with first with waiting for support to break.
Yeah, exactly. I'm in quarantine because of coronavirus, so all I gotta do is stay home and sell gold.
What?
You get what? Gold sells 92 pips. Oh my god! I actually had a self stop before I went to sleep, and I didn't get. I closed it out.
Mike, did the sell stop get triggered then?
No, you remember that I put it right, the buy stop on the sell stop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I closed it.
Oh.
What the fuck is going on with this?
Wow, people just selling GU and selling gold, and some dude.
Okay, guys, I'm done for today. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna look for breakfast.
All right, man. Have a good day, man.
Take
Enjoy
care, everybody.
family time, man.
Have a good day.
All right, man.
I would.
Take care, have fun.
Okay,
I was
be safe.
early.
Huh?
You had the gold trade.
Yeah, I got almost 220 pips on gold this morning since.
Oh, Monty, you saw the chart, right? That I sent.
Oh, I weren't looking, man. I was just doing some emails. So I missed it.
Remember that I talked about the break below 131 400.
Oh yeah.
And it happened right away. I went to sleep. I'm like,
Yeah. We got all that this morning, man. That was cool.
it's shit.
Shukriya. I'm out.
Yeah, dude.
Take care.
Someone's looking for GJ buys. I would want to see a candle closing bullish, especially on a 30-minute, to confirm more GJ buys going up. But other than that, right now you're just waiting. We got 19 minutes left for this candle to close. Just waiting.
Hey, Rakeel, I'm about to go work out, man. I might overtrade if I keep staying here.
Oh yeah,
man,
that's
if I keep looking at the chart, I'm gonna overtrade.
yeah,
Already
that's
did.
true.
Man, I just made so much money. I made all my losses back.
Oh, beautiful.
But the thing is, if I'm gonna keep looking at the chart, I'm just gonna keep trading. So I really got to get off.
Yeah, you just gotta go, man. Just leave.
Yeah, you have to go.
Yeah, man.
Trust me.
Yeah,
How are
back
you?
in an hour, hour and a half.
When I say you have to go, that means you have to go.
Okay, guys, I'm going.
Thanks, Mac. I appreciate it, Macedonian.
You're welcome, Tim. Hey, I haven't seen you in a minute. Remember? Yeah, man. When was the last time I saw you?
Miami.
Miami, right? Yeah.
I had a really nice trade on GJ this morning. Learned a lot. Oh, okay, let's take a look here. Oh, very nice. What? Oh, nice. Had a sell. Perfect.
Too much volume in the markets now, so it's just
Wow, Bitcoin down to 4,500.
oh,
Yep.
Wow, 4,500.
Damn, and I had just done a deposit. Oh man, I didn't cash it in. Oh fuck.
Where's oil right now? Let's check out oil.
Oil's at 29.
Hmm.
29.75.
Wow.
Crazy. Imagine Dave still holding.
But oil's gonna be free soon, man.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning.
Good
What's up,
morning.
man?
How are you all doing?
Good.
Good. It's good. Very good.
Wow, 4,500. Jesus. I mean, if I sell now, I should not lose that much money.
Mac, you over trading again?
Huh?
Are you over trading again?
No, Daniel, you got late into the combo. I said I made a deposit into my Cash App account,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't sell the Bitcoin. And that was
Oh
already,
shit.
yeah.
Oh, no.
Because I actually thought I was gonna go up, but let's
Everything's
see.
just dropping.
Yeah, $1,000. It was at 4,500. That's $1,000 less. God damn.
how much what was the price when you bought in? You know,
Last week it was at 4,500. I think. No.
crazy.
Yeah.
Wasn't Bitcoin a few for on night out?
Yeah, 54% drop.
Do you think it's a good risk management strategy to enter trades early with a small lot size and risk the market? No, I think you should start focusing on entering trades with confirmation. Because when you start to do that, you're going to build good habits, and good habits go a long way. If you start entering before the candle closes with a small lot size, then you're not being disciplined, you're instilling bad habits. You know, the one thing that people don't understand is that really it just takes time. It just like I talk to a lot of people, and only a small portion of them are willing to like really dedicate one or two trade like thought out trades a day for at least 2 months. After like month and a half or like a month, like they're like, oh, it's taking too long. Fuck it, just take one over risk trade, and that one over risk trade puts you back 10 steps.
Yeah, that's completely true.
Yeah, but if you stay the course, man, it ju just works. Like if you look at my history, if you go to my Instagram profile and you go back to last year, April, last year, April, after I took those massive hits on that my crypto investments, I started trading with one lots. I started back with one lots, and now I'm back up to like 5, 8 lots. It took a whole year, one full year it took to go from one lots to up to 5 and 8 lots. To go
What
from
my bad. What losses did you take last year?
oh, I had a couple 100,000 in Quadriga exchange, and they got shut down. I mean, they closed, so I lost all the money over there.
Quadriga Exchange?
Quadriga, yeah.
A broker?
No, it's a crypto broker. It was a crypto broker.
Oh,
Yeah. So that was a very tough time.
The scammers.
What?
With the scammers.
No, no, no. The owner, basically what happened was that the website wasn't working. So apparently the owner, he basically, I guess he died.
what?
I guess he died, and all the crypto holdings from the company, it was supposedly in a like a hard wallet, and
Nobody traced it.
yeah, so he died, and apparently he knew where
Only
that
had
hard wallet
access.
was.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Yeah, so yeah, it was gone.
Oh man, I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that.
No, it wasn't your fault. Don't apologize. But
Oh no, but it sucks. It's still money that you made.
yeah, but the point I'm trying to make is that I started back with one lots, and then it took me a whole year to get to like get my confidence up, get my level up, get that really. It just took a whole year,
Yeah.
and people don't understand that just takes time.
I go back from one lot to point .20s to point .50s, depending how I feel.
Nice.
But that depends on my confidence.
Looks like gold's about to do another tumble over here, down to 1464. Not risking anymore.
It is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I talked to my lawyer when that happened. My lawyer basically he just said, "Well, it is what it is." Man. Raja, can you have a look at this chart? Let's take a look here. Oh, sell target done for the day. Trade within the sleeping. Nice. Nicely labeled. I really like this labeling. Very nice. Again, you should put numbers so that I know which label to read first. But it's very nice. Oh, what's this? UJ 30 minute. Look for support confirmation on the support line over here or over here. I think this is your support. I think you should draw zones instead of drawing lines. You get me? Like draw a zone like this, and then like this. And if this support holds down there, then you can say, okay, now there's a higher chance price to continue going up. Which would make sense if gold is dropping. This should be a wick fill here. Theoretically speaking, if this kind of closes bearish, this should be a wick fill down over here. Oh, someone's trying to sell GJ. Really? Is GJ sell?
I don't see GJ sell at all.
You have to wait. Just kind of rejecting of that region.
Oh, wrong chart. Oh, entry below the bottom wick. Yep, this makes sense. This makes sense. The stop loss is too large. I think when you take this entry, then you're going to determine your stop loss based on the candles that would be closing in this area. You know, so basically what you would want to do is you would want to see a candle closing maybe something like this. So when you have a candle closing like this, then you can have a stop above that candle and anticipate the next candle to continue moving down. So that's what you would need to wait and see. So there's a lot of waiting involved in trading. A lot of patience, waiting. It takes a long time. You know, it's not easy. It takes a long time. Like, think about it this way. You get a job, you wait 3-4 years to get a dollar pay raise or like a $2 pay raise. In trading, if you're patient, man, in a year, you can jump from 10-cent lots to $1 lots in 1 year. And people are just not patient enough. I mean, I just don't understand. Man, when I lost money, I had two options. Either to just start working or continue trading and hope to make it back within a year. Because I knew it's just going to take a whole year. You just gotta trust your abilities and continue on with the journey. See, this candle is not closing bearish. It has to close a strong bearish candle for a continued move down. This is where waiting comes very important. Like if this was not a high volatile, let's say if this was not a high volatile situation, yeah, exactly. So then you would say, okay, if price will close bearish, it'll be like a 15 to 20 pip stop loss, then we'll go down, we'll have a nice day. How can I learn from you and your strategy? You can't. You cannot. This is the only place where you can learn. Oh, what's this? GP CAD, price making lower highs, lower lows, waiting for this current 30-minute candle to close bearish. Nice. Yeah, Daniel, this makes sense. Target will sell. Yeah, I think then there's going to be good buys above this resistance here.
So do you think that's ranging at the moment?
Yeah, I would say it's in a range, but I mean, if you look at the price here, it's like, you know, like 0.81 down to like this area, so there's enough range. So if you get a strong bearish close, then there's a high chance price can continue down to especially fill this wick. And if there's more momentum, it's going to retest this low right here.
Good.
But if it breaks above this resistance, then you have a clean move till all the way up there.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. How can I donate to this live? Don't donate to this live. Go find NGOs, non-profit NGOs in your country, wherever you are, those are helping, people who are losing their jobs and don't have money for food and shelter. Help those people. Because, man, the people with part-time jobs, they're getting hit the hardest. The airport here, they laid off 250 people.
Small businesses too, like mine, for example, had a lot of cancellations.
Yeah. Can you talk about the IG post with the DVDs yesterday? Oh no, man. That post on Instagram, that was a joke. Like someone said, "Oh, post this. Let's see how many likes you get." I'm like, okay.
Oh, Jeevan said that?
No. I made a bet with a friend of mine. I'm like, hey, if I get over 500 likes, you gotta give me $100. He's like, okay, perfect. I got like 600.
Like 790 now.
Yeah. Oh wow. Afro Luso FX. Beautiful. Should
All
I?
right.
What?
Oh, on GJ, I'm seeing that that current super 31 130. What do you think about getting a retest up to 131 300? Get the clean candle to the left at least, or maybe even hit 131 flat and then continue down.
Nice. What's
No,
this?
I'm asking you, what's your opinion on that?
For a sell?
For a buy to the retest.
Oh yeah. So for a buy, I need to close above this area here. Like a bullish candle could. Okay, very nice. Oil is still dropping. God damn.
Been going back, pull back slightly.
Wow, can't believe I missed those gold sales. If I had been up about 30 minutes earlier. What, do you get the sales before the Zoom or rakeel?
What?
Did you get the sales before the Zoom or?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah,
was like,
these.
what?
Yeah. The gold sales were around like 16, like around like 617, 618, right over here.
So it
Yeah,
was at 6 in the morning?
yeah, I just said 617, 615. So the sells are right over here, and my target was down here. This wick fell, but fell further.
Let's see. Oh
Wow, is that still going? I'll just come back.
no.
Oh no, it's chilled. Oh, I could only see it on the screen. That's it.
No,
That's moved a lot, right? Shit.
yeah, because that was before 6:30 a.m.
Man, I closed over here 6:15:07, and this thing dropped 400 more pips.
Yo, can you imagine starting a week like that? Damn.
Wow.
That's good, right?
400 more pips. Goddamn.
Still, it's a good trade, man.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Oh my god, you posted this on the chat. No way. How old is he? You saw that, Vince? How old is he?
Yeah, I'm dying.
Hey Max, some things are kept private from this public stream and that group we are in.
Yeah, I haven't said any names.
Yeah,
Right?
you know,
What
yeah,
the-
exactly.
Bro, oh my god, again?
Oh, yeah, gold's gonna continue. That candle closed bearish. 15 minutes. Wow.
Thing is, New York hasn't even opened yet, so you could drop further.
Oh, there you go.
Oh wow.
Just have to wait for this candle to close. And wow.
It's
80
just
pips.
Not, I know, man. It's
Oh.
nuts, right? We were watching some earlier. It's literally like 1 minute candles are like 50, 60 pips and stuff. It's like
Man,
nuts.
I don't even want to sell gold because I think someone's gonna come knocking at my door. Hey, man, you're just there's so much money flowing in. What's going on over there? It just becomes scary at one point.
You get in?
Are you gonna enter gold again or just watching for the rest of the morning? Oh, I'm just watching for the rest of the morning. I'm done for today. I got 92 pips, man. Could have had 400, but I guess 92 was okay. I'm just watching. Wow. Oh shit, man. This is unreal. I mean, if the spreads on gold are like 4 pips, 3 pips, but the moves are directly proportional to the spread.
We had exactly that discussion earlier. It's the same across the board.
Yeah.
And DJ actually, my spreads are 2, 1, 2. Oh,
Yeah, they're normal.
they're normal. Well, no, not really. Now they're spiking up to 2. Gold is at 5. But still, 5 pips for gold is nothing.
Yeah, gold for me right now is to be.
Chris, talk to GJ, please.
Talk to GJ.
Right, so far,
Oh,
it's ranging.
what's happened? It's ranging, mate. What's GJ? What was saying? I'm not even looking. Oh yeah, I'd leave it alone right now.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, Josh, you don't need to take no more trades, man. You took a banger this morning. I'll leave it alone.
Wow.
Leave me alone.
My trade on gold was so beautiful. It was so this kind of closed bearish. And when I looked at it, I was like, okay, the next one should fill this wick. That's like 60 pips. All right, perfect. So I sold gold. My stop was around 40 pips. I'm like, all right, let's continue down. And it actually fell 92 pips. And then it closed because I got scared. I'm like, what? So I got scared and then I closed. And it kept falling. Yeah, it kept dropping.
Roger, you get scared?
Yeah, because it moved so quick, so much. I was like, whoa.
I thought you were like the Iceman.
Man.
I mean, like, who was expecting 1400s again, right?
So Rakeel's thinking, how am I going to explain this to the tax man? It's
Like, I'm not even withdrawing anything.
Until next year, right?
Yeah, nothing, because like my corporation is like, it can accept deposits of like, let's say 20,000 a month. Then I have to pay myself around 4,000 a month, and I can't withdraw more because then it's just gonna be like a big tax liabilities.
You need to take on some more employees.
Yeah, already maxing out on employees.
Quote unquote, man. I would be one of your like international employee, Mac.
Sinan is rich, man. He is.
I bet.
Man is super rich.
Sinan has an account which grows per month, and we put in $1,000 a month in that account.
Oh, it's called a trust fund, Ricky.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep adding money there.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, so by the time he's 18, he's gonna have so much money.
But Rakeel, don't you think that would be like a little privilege?
Yeah, of course.
But that's why you set up the age limit, right?
Yeah, but like the thing is, a privileged person is like who hasn't worked a day in his life, and they have all this money there at their disposal.
You're gonna show them ethics and work and whatnot.
Oh yeah,
like, you still understand.
People are handing out the money, right? Like most people do.
Yeah.
Like here, I'll turn to 18. Here's your $200,000.
Ooh, look at that, bro!
Wow.
Gold filled that wick, just like we talked about. That was free money we gave away on the stream. Wow.
Oh wow.
Free money. I don't know, those are positions or those are like pending orders, but
sounds dangerous.
Wow.
No, limit orders.
For buy?
For buy? No. I was on GJ.
man, Ted even called these moves here on the daily.
Yeah.
You see his chart, his post.
Yeah, I just saw it.
There's this guy on Instagram. What's his name? Uncle_Ted. I don't know
Who he
if
is.
he's Illuminati or what.
Because he gave away free money today.
Look at this. Oh,
Look
this
at
is
that
the
drawing. That's disgusting.
monthly.
Who is that guy? What an analysis! Wow.
It's crazy.
We should report him.
Boom.
Retarders.
Look at that candle, man.
Wow. Massive. Came right down there. Wow, man.
It's on that green line. Right on the green line.
Mental health.
I still got one position on the gold. I'm gonna hold it through New York.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey Raja, did you find that video marketer for the magic keys?
No.
Oh, have you tried like Upwork and Fiverr and all that?
Yeah, you know, I'm very specific in what I want. So basically what I want is like, okay, so just picture this, right? Just close your eyes and imagine this. The video starts, it's magic keys it shows, and in the background there's this transition video happening where someone is like you know, they click open calc and the red and green line shows up, then they're adjusting those lines, and then it shows the buttons of the magic keys and like the different features of the buttons, their videos start playing. So you know, it's like that interactive kind of like video.
Got that vision.
Yeah, like that. Like that's my vision. That's how it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right, gotcha. Very nice.
Yeah, but it's, yeah, I don't know if someone can make it or not. But
How come? Yeah, of course you can.
yeah.
Will you be the person doing the trading?
No, that's just the kind of a video I want.
Oh, so you won't get the actual trader in the shop.
I have no idea. I have no
I was
idea.
thinking to make it seem that it's really easy. You should get your son to do it. So look how easy it is to trade with magic keys. You get your son to do the lines and
Put Snap to press all the buttons.
yeah, exactly.
Oh shit! Someone bought gold at 1550.
Nice work.
Beautiful.
Have you seen it?
I'm like, Ted, your chart looks like an Illuminati chart. Like two triangles.
Wow, gold is falling. Oh, UCJPY is also bearish. Everything's bleeding. I mean, the correlation of gold and the dollar, it's not working. No.
It's because people are taking money out of gold, right?
Yeah.
I think it's because of that pump, the 700 billion pump, and the valuated the dollar.
I think what's going on in the global macroeconomic arena is that people are now, like the smart big money, they're moving money from the safe havens and they're slowly transitioning into the falling markets. Because these lows are lows, you know?
Either that or they're covering losses that they've taken in other areas,
Yeah.
potentially as well. Just to back themselves up, you know, for hedging.
So whoever had a lot of money in safe havens, you think they transferred it to equities?
Yeah, potentially.
I think they did it to open a little bit of margin.
Yes, yeah. Because they'd need to.
But not yet. We're not buying equities right now.
Mm-hmm.
Big Raja, what was your GJ buy this morning, or for you yesterday?
Oh, that was in the Asian session.
Yeah, could you walk us through it?
Yeah, it was. I think it was right around here.
Okay, so did you take it as it closed above, or?
So I entered. Let's go to the 15-minute here. Yeah, so I entered at 132, 156.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. As this candle closed bullish,
Mm-hmm.
so I entered a buy because it closed above these candles here. And my idea was that, okay, now the next one should continue moving up to, maybe like fill this wick or even go higher over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So my stop wasn't below this candle. My stop was like in the middle of this big bullish candle that went up. Because
Well, that's to make your risk to reward better, right?
yeah, exactly. Because like in my mind, what was happening was that if this candle was to close bearish, then it would take me out right around here, and that candle closing bearish would mean that now candle is closing below this area. So then the buying analysis wouldn't work. But as it went to like 15 to 20 pips, I just closed. So I'm like, okay, I'll close.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Because before that, it was ranging. There's this move down. This couldn't have caught this move down because, like, there was no confirmation.
Yeah.
Then went up. It was just range over here, support, resistance. Just waited for this to close above and took a buy. And
Rakeel, where do you have your stop?
it was in the middle of the candle that broke out.
Okay, thanks.
Wow, I wonder what's going to happen at New York Open. Or is it even going to open?
I think it's going to be messy.
He might just drop straight away, then maybe it comes pull up that day.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? USD CHF. 30-minute chart. Man, if you get this 30-minute candle closing bearish, then you have a chance for it to continue down. But I think this is an early entry here. Just my opinion. Wow. Gold is bearish and UJ is also bearish. Just crazy. Just death everywhere.
It's interesting to see that, man.
Well, very interesting, man. They cut the rates. And you know what lower rates means? Lower rate means low mortgage rates. When people buy houses, they buy houses at like lower mortgage rates, even if they're fixed for 5 years. After that, then when the rates go up, no one's going to be able to pay it back. No one's going to be able to
get that whole inflation thing then, right?
Yeah, back
to
2008.
Yeah, it's going to be huge problems. Like, countries are printing money to help people.
So I'm looking for the upside of all this to see. Well, not necessarily the upside, but I mean the options it's now giving for later on in the year.
This is nuts. Is there any correlation between UJ and gold? Well, so far, right now, there's no correlation.
Yeah, they're both going the same way.
Yeah.
Same as kind of everything.
Wow. We're living in a very interesting time right now, Monty.
I think so, man. We don't get to experience this. It's not something you see every week,
No.
That's what I find interesting. Because I think the potential, what we have later on in the year now, I think it could be a really good year.
Yeah, we don't see this happen often. Like
if you can maximize it, I think it's very, very good opportunities.
There are really two types of traders out there, right? The number one type of traders are who are seeing gold fall and they keep on buying gold, anticipating that there's going to be a floor reached and it's a safe haven. It has to go up one day. And the other type of traders are the one who are seeing gold fall and they're like, okay, perfect. How can we get in on this fall?
It's safer to follow the trend as well.
Yeah, trading the trend. So the people who are just trying to sell as the market is moving down, they're making money. The one who are trying to call bottoms in the anticipation that it will reverse someday, yeah, good luck to them. It's pretty hard to trade like that.
You must have a big bank balance.
Yeah.
I won't be risking that.
Could anyone please tell me if Ted still participates on the stream? No, Ted has been fired.
Yeah, it's the second time.
By HR.
Yeah, we fired Ted. We're like, Ted, you made too much money from the stream.
Yeah.
It was this picture that did it.
Oh, it was HR actually who fired.
Yeah.
HR said he had
very nice.
puppy mouth.
Wow, 51,000 followers. Shit.
Very
Man,
nice, bro.
That was only 50 last week, right?
Yeah.
Shit, that's loads, man.
1,000 came from nowhere. I don't even know.
Yeah, I think I've got an extra 3 this week. So.
I got 1.5.
No, to be fair, it's progressing nice actually.
1.5 because one was someone who I didn't know. The other one was a family member.
All right, this is the Canada travel ban over here. Trying to fly out of Canada. Finally, they updated it. Come on.
So what have they said about movement and stuff in Canada? Is there anything they said about just normal people movement or?
Oh yeah, people still going to work, going to jobs.
Oh, okay.
Like my wife, so she works at the corporate building for some bank, and one of their floors they had 2 cases of coronavirus.
Oh, okay.
And that whole floor is shut down.
Mm.
Yeah. So she's like, oh, why doesn't anyone have coronavirus on my floor?
Do you think they'll get to a point where everyone will go to potentially work from home or?
Yeah, no, they just got sent home. Just go home for 2 weeks. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay.
Well, that's sensible.
So they updated this. So going to United Kingdom, exercise high degree of caution.
Too many trolls.
Yeah.
That's what it says. It's too many trolls.
They haven't banned it. Like, they haven't really blocked the borders. It's just like Canada saying, yeah, just be careful.
Mm. Do you think there's a potential though? I don't know if it's the same as what we see here. So if you fly to here, for example, when you go back, would you be quarantined straight away yourself? Do you think?
I don't know. Like, if you have symptoms, I think whoever's coming in the country from outside, they should be tested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's kind of the thing we're getting here. Sometimes people come back and they're told to stay at home for 2 weeks or something themselves. But then some people, if they know they've already got it, go straight to like a quarantine place. So they'll just like come home and go to a place somewhere.
Yeah. Wow. Gold is still going there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We called this.
180 pips. Yeah.
So like 200 pips from that candle close.
Yeah.
I've actually run out of zones now. I'm gonna have to start marking some more stuff up.
Yeah.
I've actually gone past one of the yellow lines.
I literally just had to do that.
Yeah, I was just thinking now, I'm not trading anymore, but I was like, I'm going to have to do it for tomorrow because the stream's going to be a bit boring.
Yeah, wow.
Next was like 70. It was after that.
Oh, the next is 1450, like shit.
I've got 55 potentially, yeah. Well, that's going to be there like a minute.
37.
Yeah.
And then we got 1438. Oh, Mason is sleeping.
Mason's done.
Oh my god, no wait. Was him snoring?
Who's sleeping?
Mason. I don't know who Mason is.
46. Have you got one marked at 46? I think 46, 47 might be one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's quite important.
I think I'm gonna hold one of my positions tomorrow.
Wow. Look at that drop.
pretty mad, man. Pretty mad.
Why?
It's just about seeing this type of stuff and actually being in the market at the time.
Oh, what, the gold sale?
Wow, just anything, man. Just the way everything is.
But you had the GJ sales in London, right?
Yeah, GJ sales. You're in New Zealand buy.
Mm,
Easy this morning, mate.
that's good.
Yeah, I think it's about 80 pips. I think 60, 80 pips. Something like that.
Nice.
I'm just glad my levels played out. I didn't even take a trade, but whatever.
It's good for confidence, man.
Yeah. Now I'm seeing GJ breaking this current support at 130, 130.
Yeah, I've got 29 450 ish as a level on GJ next.
What's your next level?
About 29 450.
29, 450.
Roughly, maybe just a bit short of that, just above 500 potentially.
That was based. Oh, that was on the wick on that wick. On the wick you showed me.
Yeah. Oh no, we're past there now. We're way past that.
This is 129 450.
I think I based it on daily. I think. Hang on.
Good morning, guys. What's up?
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
This gold, man. I've been watching it all morning. Like, what the fuck? Sorry for that.
129 on daily. I don't see anything.
I think I did it on 4 hour, mate. Hang on. I'll check it. I can't remember why I did it. I'm still kind of playing with levels, to be honest.
I trust your levels. So I'm good.
I know it was there for a reason. I can't remember why.
Oh yeah, daily. Oh no, never mind. I don't see anything.
I'll figure it out in a minute.
Daily is the mess. It's just crossing everything. Maybe before that daily.
You can maybe have a stealth stop from GJ if you want. On that 129, 800 around that region.
What do you think about this trade? Let's take a look here. Well, this chart, I think it's a waste of time for me to look at this chart. There's no labeling, there's no explanation, and sorry, I can't read minds. I mean, when someone says, "Oh, you're just so rude," because this is why. You know, you see this chart, and then you see this chart. This chart and this chart. This, I know what the person is thinking. This, I just don't know what the fuck's going on. Sorry.
That's a trend line break.
Oh, thank you, rich.com. Yeah, but I need people to like really write things just like this.
Yeah, we shouldn't have to guess, you know what I mean? That's the point.
Yeah, because honestly, I'm not going to waste my time trying to predict what you mean.
No.
Like, if you send me a chart, I want to look at the chart and I want to know exactly what's happening, and that's it.
Rich has never sent a chart in.
Ooh, there you go. GJ is trying to break up now and close above these areas.
Yeah. So back to 131.
Man, I'll be careful.
But yeah, look at that candle on the left, that big candle.
It's like 1 minute to the hour open.
No, I'm not gonna go in now. I'm just
And why pullback?
this candle here, a nice mirror candle. It's at about what, 50 pips?
Nah.
It's gonna go up.
It looks like it's gonna go up. I'm gonna wait for this to close. And...
Men vad var premiummånad alltså?
Yeah,
Men
look
vad
at
var
this.
det? What is time?
It's 8 a.m. Hey.
See, this candle is closing above this,
Sorry, guys.
all these candles here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, rakeel.
Hey. Holy
They
shit, man.
make noise.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
It's too much, man.
Yeah, I removed rich.com. Too noisy.
I mean, looking on how it might create a little base, but I ain't convinced with it.
Yeah, I mean that wasn't a strong close in the 30-minute.
I mean, the last 2 1-hour candles have not been too bad, to be fair, but you
Yeah,
just
it's
gotta measure it,
gonna continue.
I mean, you could get your 10 pips, I'm sure.
Oh,
when you measure the candles, they're huge. So you have to wait for like 5 seconds, you're done. So just time it.
Oh, someone said kick everyone besides Monty.
Thank you very much.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate it. Who's that?
There you go.
Wow.
There goes GJ. 130, 555. Can
Yeah,
we
I
get
think it's
130?
passable. Yeah, I think 775 would be pretty sensible.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you. Yeah, sorry. I
Yeah.
didn't.
130, 555.
That's what I mean. That's 30, 40 pips, man. You don't need to go that far, but time it right. It's easy.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 30-minute to make a lower wick.
Yo.
The cops are here.
Ooh, LXP's order got activated. GJ. Yeah, it should continue. So when it comes to stop losses, I think a stop around 130, 100 would be pretty good. Not below the 30-minute, because this wick down was a liquidity grab. Like if it's gonna continue up, this wick down was a liquidity grab. So safest would be down over here, 130, 100, and it's heading up.
Yeah, it should play out, I think.
Do you know how to set this?
Has anyone got a lower wick on his gold 1 hour open?
No.
What are you thinking?
Wow.
So go for the gold. Go for the golden egg.
No, just a straight 70 pip move up. Man.
You know what I'm saying? That's nuts.
It's crazy.
If you want to trade gold, you have to have like 150%.
I'm waiting for this 30-minute to make a bottom leg. TJ. It's doing it now. Well, other than that, you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Hey Mac, because you're waiting for a bottom wick now, don't you think it's too late that it's already made the top wick?
Yeah, I would have took 15 pips and be done by now.
Yeah, like I personally, I wouldn't try and buy that back up now. That looks like
no. I'm just seeing how it plays out.
Oh, okay, cool.
Beyond the next 15, I could get in.
Oh, so you're waiting for it to move, start to trend.
To go past the, for example, let me see. 1 second.
With DJ doing the closes above this region here is kind of retesting that.
Right, and I wanted something to break above this whip right here.
Yep.
Because if not, we're just stuck in this range.
Yeah.
If you'd entered on that candle close, you'd have been done now.
Yeah, probably.
On 30 minute. Yeah, on 30 minute. If you entered on the close, you'd have took 15 pips and been out, right?
I don't think that's 15. That's probably like 10.
Measure it. I'm actually saying that spreads are probably awful now. I've not even.
Yeah, my spreads just fine. My spreads are at 5, so it wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah, it wouldn't make no sense now.
Yeah, it's 15 pips. No, doesn't make any sense.
See, even right now, if you're anticipating this candle to go bullish, yeah, you're gonna have your stop around like 17, 18 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Hate to be bringing gold back up. Not sure if that's finished going down, sitting on a weekly support. Yeah, I don't think looking for gold buys is a good idea. I mean, you could get these like 40, 50. Well, yeah, I mean, you get 40, 50 pips.
Yeah, it's only because the candle's so big, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Well, I'm not looking for buys. Let's put it that way. But it has come to like a little support level. It could potentially bounce off. So
yeah. Alright, I go get some coffee and sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
Yeah. Bread and honey.
Oh, yeah, you and your sweets.
Ooh, so good, bread and honey.
You had a good day, Rakeel. Sandwiches.
Mmm.
Well, I used to eat ice cream for breakfast, so I guess that's an improvement.
So you see that? So if you entered right there, you had a 17, 18 pip stop. 15 pips up right now, stops at break even and let it run wherever it has to go.
Yeah.
That little retracement was just necessary to make a lower break on the 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got in at 25.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's good work, man.
Right on the wick.
Mm.
Yeah, because that's where it previously broke. So it was like previous resistance.
Mm-hmm. Like on the 15-minute, right?
Yeah, exactly. That area.
Beautiful.
Not that you need to, but you could see how that formed on a 1 minute. It looked really good. The way it came down and then started to push back up. There's a good chance there.
And also the 1 hour didn't have a bottom candle, at least on my feed, so it had to do it.
Yeah, that was a nice call. Nice ballsy call.
There's two ways to trade that, really. Like, as soon as the candle closed, you would took 15 or wait for a lower entry and got, what, 25, 30, something?
Yeah.
That was your call, Rakeel. Great call.
Thank you. Wow. Gold is doing salsa over here, man. 100 pips up.
Yeah, I'm watching it carefully. There's no bottom wick.
This is just Chris. What the fuck is this, man?
I don't know what's going on. It's just fuckery. It's awesome, though.
Wow.
So you literally can be in a trade for like you were earlier for like 2 minutes. Not even that. Then you can be done.
Yeah. Like on
You just gotta
Friday.
time it.
There was a trade I took on Friday. I took it for maybe 15 minutes. And I was up 100 pips. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, I missed that because I went away. Yeah, it was a good one. I see the replay. Looked good, man.
Yeah, it was a buy on gold. Wow.
So if you just sit on your hands for the right time and just wait, the option will come. And you can literally be done with it. You might have to sit there for an hour, but if it comes, it's worth it.
Well, do you know that trade where in 1 second it just appeared out of anyway?
Yeah. Thursday. That was
yeah, Thursday. It just appeared out of nowhere.
Yeah, that was a good trade. That was that sell stop, right? The 90 pips or something or whatever.
Yeah.
Where you nearly closed at 10. That's the one. Yeah.
Simon was like, hold it.
Yeah, we all shouted.
Hold it, mate.
Oh, TJ's just not a mess.
Yeah, now you should have been stopped
Done.
out at break even.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, my travel agency just emailed me
Uh-oh.
about my flight. They said it's still good to go.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah, it's going to be okay, you know.
But did someone say yesterday that they've closed Miami and stuff in the evening?
Oh.
Or was that because of the shooting or something? I don't know. I didn't read it properly.
Oh yeah, they.
Rakeel, but would you play like you come into London and then they quarantine the whole London and you can live in London for 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Did you think about that?
No, because it
No.
because it hasn't happened
Yet.
Yeah, exactly. So life is like, I take my life like trading. If something hasn't happened, then there's no use to think about it.
Yeah, I agree.
You know, if a candle is going bullish, there's no.
Why would you sell?
Yeah, why would you sell?
Well, you got a place to stay if you get stuck. You could.
Definitely that, but maybe family and stuff.
Yeah, after
So,
Dave
Raj-
Monty's gonna say, "Yo, Raja, come on, man.
Yeah, I've got you, man.
You gotta go."
I've got a tent, man. You can camp in the garden.
Yeah, it doesn't even snow there, so that's good.
Nah, you're good, man. It's not too bad right now. It was cold this morning, though. It's all frosty this morning.
Oh, what was it? 10 degrees.
Nah.
A lot of rain.
It's probably only
But on that time.
about 3 days. It's a nice day today, actually. It's real sunny.
All right, let's take a look at this chart. UJ15, make candle close below support, next zone. I was actually looking at the same thing here. The only problem is that this previous candle, it closed with no wick at the bottom, like on the 30-minute chart. So when a candle closes with no wick, that means there's no range for the next candle to continue.
Yeah. Or it will break down.
Yeah, exactly.
Like a maniac.
Please read, remember 2016 I first messaged you. Since then I have been lost a lot of methods, MMM, BBAM, then Apex, Paragon, Cartel, Fib Wizards, and RDS. Still lost. What should I do? Any tips? I think you should quit trading. Seriously, you've tried. Man, here's the thing. People try everything except market fluidity and then they cry to me.
Mm-hmm.
Every day I get messages, hey man, I bought this, I did this, didn't work, what should I do? I'm like, just good luck. I don't know.
I think it's because you can't follow simple directions, really.
Yeah, no, it's because when they message somebody, the first response is, pay me, and then I'll tell you what it is. But for me here, it's different. You message me, I'll give you information. And then guys say, oh yeah, we don't have to do market fluidity shit. No. We'll just do this.
Sad, really.
Yeah, it's sad. People are stupid, man. They spend more money than they lose in education. It's just so retarded.
And what you're providing is free, so that just makes me question certain aspects of their intelligence.
Overall bearish. I don't like to buy it. Waiting here to create resistance formation. Very good. Oh, okay. You're waiting for it to come up over here. Yeah, so if it starts to come up over here, it's better to take this move up and be done from the day. That's how I see it. That if I can take a trade early in the morning, that I don't have to stress about taking another trade and trying to make money.
The only thing about this pair is that I would like to see a bull candle close above the rest of the candles to get into the trade. Because the wicks are going up, right? But there's no confirmation that it's going to continue.
Yeah, it looked a little rocky there.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for a bullish candle. Then I'll probably be in the trade. Because this...
I mean, the previous 15 is bullish, but it didn't have a close, strong close.
I mean, it did close above the rest of the candles. So I just want to see this candle that's forming right now to become bullish.
Well, no, I actually closed just above the previous candle. If you see the other ones, it's still in a range.
Yeah.
It's kind of rejecting of support. Resisting again to support though. So it could
Yeah, the good thing is rejecting support. So
Got to remember, this is only the first 15 minutes of the hour, so.
I mean, this is what I feel.
Just look at the gold.
No, at least it's something like this. Hold on.
Gold pushed
If you can see
pips
that.
in 1 second.
Wow. Gold is just.
Yeah, I was just
Awesome.
like, maybe I could sell and boom, go up. Okay, this is. Okay, how 100 pips now?
look at the gold.
Yeah. Wow, okay, gold. Fuck off. Like I'm trying to get the position in gold, but it's so fucking hard. You need to have like 20, 30, 40 pips stop loss. And VIX up.
Yeah, no wicks down, straight wicks up.
So probably it's retesting highs, and I'm seeing it like, or it will just fly away up.
Believe me, gold does not test highs.
So what? Could you repeat?
Gold does not test highs. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm just saying that.
It's making a probably 1 hour wick. I'm
No.
hoping, and now it will be drop like every fucking day. It pushes up, and then it just go demolish it down.
On a bullish candle, it creates a top wick.
Do you think it's better to trade the 5-minute time frame with these big moves? No, not really. Basically, what you need to do with gold is you need to lower down your lot sizes because your stop losses are going to be bigger, so it makes sense to lower down your lot size.
Rakeel, I say you had a nice trade in gold.
What's that? Oh, less trade on gold?
A nice trade on gold.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I held for 300 more pips.
Yeah. I'm sitting in the airport right now. It's dead.
Oh, yeah, where are you flying?
I'm flying back home to Newark. I'm coming from Florida.
Oh, nice. The planes are empty probably.
Empty. It's crazy. Crazy time.
Yeah, I'm supposed to fly out to Miami on Thursday. Let's see what happens. It's going to be an adventure. I like adventures. Let's short that GJ. I don't think so. I don't think you can short GJ right now. You need to short GJ below 130.
Rakeel, I think they closed South Beach.
Yeah.
You saw that?
Yeah, they're closing every place where 100 or more people can gather.
Yeah, gatherings or something. That's what I was reading. Yeah.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
Alright, I'll go get some fluid.
Oh, wow, look. Oh, GJ.
I think we could see sales today.
Yeah.
But I'm waiting for New York Stock Exchange open. I wanna short the Dow Jones.
All right. Back in the driver's seat here now. New guy here. What does it mean when the candle it fills the wick? I think you need to watch Hold on. I'm gonna tell you, if you guys are new on this channel, I will tell you exactly what to watch.
The intro video.
Yeah, no, not the intro video. There's this
Three.
so many live streams over here. Yeah, this one right here. Back to basics. Watch this.
I think that and the signs. That's good. That'd be good.
Yeah. Someone gave me the idea to create a playlist of the videos because it takes a long time for people to scroll down all the live streams.
It's so built up though, right?
Yeah. They're all up over here. So many. Wow, since 6 months. Wow, from 7 months. From August 8th till today.
Every single one.
Wow, it's dedication.
Yeah, and we've been through the whole journey since Twitch.
Yep, Mac is from the Twitch days.
Yeah, it's been a year already, right?
I think so.
And I'm a trooper. I would have quit trading with all the bashing that I get a long time ago.
Oh, what's this?
That's good. That's Mitch. He just stops.
Yeah, I was looking at the same thing here. For the sales and then the buys.
If it sells, then downtown we go.
Will you trade gold today? No. I already took a sell on gold earlier on.
Oh my god, my chest is so sore. Jeez.
Yeah, I did chest as well.
I did chest, arms, and shoulders.
Nice. Yeah, I just called the gym. The gym said they might close the gym today.
Well, Planet Fitness?
Yeah, so we got 3 corporations running right now. One is Planet Fitness, Good Life, and Other Fitness. Good Life Corporation they're all closed. I got a membership at Planet Fitness. They said they might close. I got a membership at Elite Fitness, and they're not picking up my phone calls. So I don't know what's going on there.
You gotta look for like an independent gym, like the one that I go to. That's like a lot of free weights and shit like that.
Yeah.
Bro, they're all closed. They're all closed.
Nah, my gym.
Oh, you were looking at UJ earlier, but that broke out, by the way.
Oh, it broke down?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, someone was looking at it earlier. Oh. Yeah, there we go.
Just, I can remember you looking earlier, that's all.
That's like 10 pips.
See the webinar we did on Saturday? This would have been a nice entry below this candle.
Yep.
With stop up there.
Wait, what? How?
Oh, you didn't watch the webinar?
You didn't watch the webinar,
Yeah, you didn't, man. Normally, we need a fake out. Then the second entry will be the way.
But what about that candle with the no wick?
Oh, you gotta watch the webinar.
Okay.
Yeah, man, right. Come on.
Patiently waiting for GJ, my only trade of the day.
The name of this song is Feeling Good by I don't know who. Does somebody know a good broker with low gold spreads? Well, no broker has a good gold spread right now. If you understand how Forex market, I mean, gold is, look at this, man. Look at this. Gold is moving at the rate of Like this is a 30 pip 5-minute candle.
Yeah,
So
I was looking at the 1 minute a little while ago.
Yeah.
It's mad.
yeah, you know, I mean, I'll tell you my spread on Vantage. My spread on gold is 3 pips. On Traders Domain, my gold spread is same, 2 to 3 pips.
Yeah.
I see.
2-8.
I'm getting 2 to 4 pips.
Yep. So.
And on GJ, I'm getting 3 to 5 pips.
Yeah.
I'm on J with IC markets.
Yes, man. That's one of the ones I use. Yeah. I'm not using them today actually, but have done yet. It's the same across the board. They're all up and down. They're all fluctuating loads. If you watch them.
Oh, Louis Vuitton is starting to make hand sanitizer.
No way.
Yeah.
You're gonna talk about that.
I got Louis Vuitton hand sanitizer, mate.
Gotta get one of them for the gram.
Yeah. How are you managing good stop loss? Well, here's the thing. You're decreasing your lot sizes. It's just simple logic, man. Gold is right now a very, very fast car which you have not driven before. So when you get in a fast car, you don't go fast. You go slowly because you're like, oh, whoa, 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 this is way too fast.
Biggest problem with gold one, it's got no brakes.
Yeah.
It's got no brakes.
That's the thing with gold.
Trading is like life. If you drive too fast in a car, you can die. If you trade too much in this kind of the situation, you lose your account. So that's like life. Losing a life or losing an account.
If gold breaks this 15-minute low, it's gonna continue moving down. But this was the trade we called here. This move.
But look at the previous wick though. Look how big that is. Measure that wick. I just did it myself.
Wow.
But if you went on the previous one,
Holy 70 pips.
You know what I'm saying? It's not really no.
And how would you sell now?
See, now it's broken the low, so you could have a 65 pip stop.
I was actually looking at it on 5 minute when it got near that zone at the top where there was an option to get an entry, but it just wasn't worth it. Not for me. It's no point. It would have worked out quite nice actually, but
oh yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely now. Jeez, that's just move another 60 pip, no?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
40 pips after that low break. Oh my days. Oil is still going down. Oh my days.
And give it away for free soon.
Yeah. I'm good at execution thanks to you. Now I want to know how to add position properly to increase my IRR. Well, that just comes with time.
Skill.
Man, you know what's my next goal? My next life goal is
jump out of a plane.
This right here. Where I'll show you.
Okay.
This is goal right over here. This guy. No, hold on. this gym right here. He has a gym in his home, man. This is my goal.
That's his home.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Wow, this looks huge.
Who's that, Paul?
No, that's Mitch. That's my gym.
What, Paul? You think Paul's ugly? Come on, man. Just joking.
We love Paul.
Yeah, because I watched GJ. I think it's about to go.
Yeah. I see it.
I was just watching it on the 15 and 5 just to see. You could have took the last 5 minute close.
EJ's gone as well.
Yeah, basically on that score.
Yep.
Is it going to drop?
Then it's like,
Yeah, well, you still watching EN?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I was just watching it earlier. Just moved quick. That did.
I couldn't see an entry, to be honest.
No, I couldn't either. I just where it's consolidating at the bottom just to see that jump then, but it's got no lower wick on
Yeah.
15 minute.
EJ's doing something similar, but the opposite way. So similar to what GJ did, where GJ's retracing, EJ's still going down.
Yeah, I think you've got room to about where it is now on EJ. Might cause a little bit of grief about where it is now. But
I've got a target of 117,620. 600.
600.
Yeah, 620 roughly.
Oh, I'm on 5 minute, my bad. That's why. I was looking at some man that consolidates hard. Hang on.
Is this what EJ?
EJ?
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Makes sense.
see, if this 15-minute candle closes bearish, then that would be a good opportunity to continue this GJ selling further down. Because then your stop is going to be above this 15-minute candle that is breaking out.
Rakeel, wouldn't you want the candle to go below the bricks here to the left?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you need to wait for it to close. So if it
below that.
yeah, so
range.
if it closes below or somewhat like a strong bearish candle, then that would make sense for the next one to continue bearish.
Yeah, like a retest of the I guess the new resistance, hold support, and then it continues down.
Yep.
Excuse me. Yeah.
I was thinking of sell stuff on GJ around here.
You agree with that?
Oh yeah, but then your stop will remain the same. Your stop will be at like 130, 150. No matter where you sell, your stop will always remain the same.
Yeah.
Someone sent me a chart here, and they're already in a GJ sell, and the stop is up over here, so that's good.
Yeah, I think if you were watching 5 minute, you could have potentially got a good entry on the last one.
Oh yeah.
Lower time frame, but
yeah. 70% of the trading is literally just taking the risk on what you believe, and it's gonna go. I think when you look at pairs like GJ or EN or gold, sometimes they don't do retests. They just go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm trying to see that more and more now. So it's almost like you got to change your strategy in terms of waiting for retests for your confirmation. It's sometimes you would just miss the move if you wait for that. So that's the tricky part, really, for me, or maybe some people as well too.
Yeah, that happens. Like you miss the entries. You're like, oh man, I was watching it, but it's gone. So to really help with your confidence, what I recommend people to do is to, like, if you really think it's going to continue going and you want to wait for a retest, enter a small position so that you start developing that confidence. Because the more you see it, the more confident you're going to be in taking that specific trade.
Yeah, I hear that. Yeah, because I think taking a long position, a huge position or a huge lot size just doesn't make sense if you're not even sure or even confident into the trade.
Yeah.
I mean, your analysis may be correct, but like, just I guess that courage, or not even courage, just the mental acuity just to pull the trigger. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So what you could do is just do a small position. For example, in GJ right now, and let's say you enter a sell right now, and if by any chance it goes for a retest, then you could actually go for a bigger position. 'Cause, it's gonna keep heading down. As long as it doesn't break the high of the previous one.
Oh yeah.
Gold actually came down to this range. I was only joking. So big moves, man. This was 70 pips.
So my plan when I was looking at it, get back up to that top range on that green bullish one that closed bullish. That would have made sense now. I say I love a trade, but I didn't have the risk capacity in my head. I was like, nah, it's not for me.
Yeah.
It would have been a good option.
It's crazy how everything is dropping, including gold.
Yep. Anyone trades Asian sessions? Well, there's only one person that does Asian sessions.
That's Paul.
Paul Weiner. Oh,
Oh,
wow. Gold is still going.
DJ's dropping.
See, we
Not
gave a
yet.
good signal here on gold again.
Drop.
60 pip stop loss to the 70-50. Just insane. Banks losing money. Banks are. Oh, yeah, Nadine said it right here. That's why they're selling the equity market.
Around 2 minutes, 15 minutes, you close bearish and continue down.
Will it drop?
Gold 1 hour looks like it's got some serious legs now.
Yeah.
Watch it go. Wow.
Finally, bro.
Hey, Rakeel, are you in this trade or not?
No, I'm in nothing. No trades.
Oh, no trades. Okay.
No trades. I took one sell earlier on. That's about it.
All right.
Where is it going?
Oh, see what we talked about GJ making no retest?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
Sometimes you
Yeah,
just
that's
gotta do it. This was a 30 pip drop from this break. Because like moves like these, they're like really hard to explain, to say that, oh, well, you should have just entered an impulse. Like it's really hard to explain because there was no confirmation, unless you go to smaller time frames.
Yeah,
you know?
that's the only way I could have entered that myself.
So
if you're watching it on 5, you could see it where it was working down, but it still
I
wasn't
was just
past
going to
that
suggest
side.
that.
I mean, the confirmation wasn't strong enough for me because it wasn't past the zone. Where the support is. But you could see on 5 minute how it's forming. It looked good. But
yeah, but
that's where you take that risk.
it was too risky for me, so I didn't even enter.
the
I
stop
got an entry.
would always remain the same, no matter where you enter.
So now somebody was in this trade from the beginning. Then I put my stop loss below the wicks of the to the left.
I would have closed it by now. I would
Oh,
have
yeah, I
took it.
would've-
Oh, I mean, yeah.
What?
That's 30 something pips already.
Below the wicks?
60 pips.
Yeah. Well, let me mark it. Let me see, just so you know what I'm talking about. Hold on. Right here. I probably put my stop loss just to lock in profits.
Your stop loss would be below the wicks?
No. Sorry, not my stop loss. Okay, so say for instance I entered here, right? Entered here, and it's gone down. I would put a stop or.
Oh, you
not a
mean
stop loss? What am I trying to say?
profit?
To lock in profits.
Oh, okay.
Locking profits, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not stop loss. That's not what I meant to say.
Well, it is a stop loss, but you're locking it in profit.
Locking profits, sir.
Oh, look at that. No F given.
Well, here we go. We called another trade over here.
Easy peasy.
Wow.
Yeah. I got this cells up there 90-10.
Oh, very nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, like this is almost 20% of the count. And it was, the risk was like 2%. I'm looking like it dropped, man. Nice. And it keeps dropping. Amazing.
It's insane, man. These huge moves. If you just gotta take advantage of these big moves.
But you have to have balls and enter with these huge moves. Like 20 or 30, 40 pips. It's not, if you don't lower your lot size, it's dangerous playing with your life.
30, 40 pips. That's nice.
Yeah, I'm in 50 on 2 positions. So 50 pips.
Yeah, I remember once on gold, I accidentally entered 10 times the usual lot size. I closed that straight away.
Well, if you guys like the stream so far, and if you've capitalized on some of the moves you called, just give a like on the stream.
Yes, please. Give it a like.
So we can help more people.
Yeah. Some good options as well.
just falling, falling, falling.
This is amazing, man. This trading is all about confidence.
Definitely.
Are you waiting for it to hit the orange line? That orange line is my support based on the 4 hour if you look left.
Probably going to make no sense today. I did that this morning with a couple on it, GJ, and it's like, well, that zone did nothing. Oh, that zone did nothing.
Yeah. See right here.
Yeah, sense.
This is that orange line.
I can't believe I didn't have the confidence to execute on GJ. But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Don't trade.
It is what it is.
That's actually past my last target line on GJ now.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got no idea now. I have to go and do some real work.
Ooh, someone made $300.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm in 90.
Oh,
0.08.
Nice.
Yeah.
Man. This is just awesome.
Wow, and it just keeps dropping, like.
Keeps
No
dropping.
retest. Boom.
Telling you, 128.
Oh, reached support and probably gonna break it.
Very well done.
Yeah, no upper wick.
Wow, I'm freaking mad, bro.
No FOMO, dude.
No.
Yeah, I sound like Paul.
It's done. Missed it.
Oh, you want to start it again?
Let's go. Come to Miami. I'm waiting for you.
All right, buddy boy.
Little ass
Put on gloves.
20-pound dumbbell hammer curling person.
Guy. Oh my God, you started lifting 2 months ago.
Only bench press. Press bench.
Here we go.
Because we can't even go to Miami. I'll go to you.
Man, when I look in the mirror, I see a big, strong brown guy. That's what I see in the mirror.
See you.
Big brown guy.
Sounds like a bear.
I hope they don't close the gym here, man. I gotta go get some cardio in.
Yeah, first they close good life. I gotta go get another membership somewhere.
Guys, I got 15%, 17, so I'm done with the day. Continue to work. Have a nice day.
You too.
See ya.
But
Bye bye.
What is that?
Oh wow, gold is still falling here.
Yeah, I was just watching that at 15 actually.
Wow, GJ came down and tapped that orange line to the T, mate.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
To the T.
This is where the lines don't matter.
Yeah.
Disregard them, you know what I'm saying? I did exactly the same thing this morning on GJ, and it literally went to it, bounced off it, and I'm like, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
Man.
Is there a trampoline over here?
That's really close. That's good.
Wow, 22 pip move.
Just take a picture of that one.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What time are you guys open till today?
Today we are regular hours.
So far, okay.
So far, yeah. So 24 hours regular today. So far.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good one.
Bye. Well, there we go, guys. The gym is open today.
Oh, that's what I thought you were going to ask for a discount. So. Are you open? Yep. Can I have a discount, please?
Yeah, I've been going to this. I've had this membership for about 1.5 years, and I've probably went to the gym once.
Oh, you better make the most of it.
It's $22 a month, this one.
That's not so much.
No, that's pretty. That's really, really good.
That's a lot more here.
For the one I go to, I pay a yearly. So if you get a yearly package, then they can give you. So this guy quoted me like $520 for a year, but then we dropped it down to like $340.
Does that not surprise me?
Oh yeah, I was like, man, come on, I'm buying for the whole year. I'm doing a commitment here with you guys, and it's what you
Better
offer
give me a
me.
discount.
My best go-to line is, "You're giving me a regular price, man. Come on." You know?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good one.
Give me the special one.
Special deal.
Wow, gold is still
Yeah, my gym's still open to.
nice. Does anyone know of Ava Trade? Is that a broker?
Yeah, I think it's European. I think.
Ava Trade. Ooh. Oh, Canada.
Oh, is it Canada?
I didn't know that.
Oh, I didn't realise it's Canada.
Interesting. I wonder what kind of regulations they have here for Ava Trade. How are they operating in Canada?
I don't know. That's not the one I was thinking about. Actually.
Yeah, I've heard about Ava Trade too, but not
I've not
that
heard of
one.
that one. No, one's yellow. I think they've got a sign. It's yellow sign. I'm sure.
12 years of unrivaled success.
I was saying that. I think at the top's the same. That is the same emblem logo.
What happened to the pilot? I don't know. Pilot is probably in gold shorts, oil shorts. Oil buys, sorry, longs. Pilot's around. Wow, I think the trade of the day was gold and GJ.
Yeah, GJ's good. We just had to wait.
This is what I caught gold. I'll tell you what I got on gold.
Come on, gold keeps dropping.
This is what I got on gold right there. That's it.
And it's so small.
Kept falling. Where are you located? I am located in the great country of Canada. The Queen escaped the Buckingham Palace.
Escape, bruv.
Really?
Escaped. She's allowed to go outside.
Yeah, she escaped. Because she knows, man, this corona hits her, she's gonzo.
Yeah, she'd be in trouble.
93 years old.
93, her...
It's her husband that's the problem, I think. He'd get it, he'd be in trouble.
The husband is the prince, not even the king.
Well, you know what I mean. Yeah.
They should make him the king. I mean, Philip. If I was Philip, I'd be like, I want to be the king. Why the fuck am I the prince?
Yeah. No, I don't know where they went to actually. I think they've gone to the countryside, right?
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm in GJ short from 141 to 51. What? 141.
141.
Seriously, I want to see some of that.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Yeah, fair play if you're in it from there. That's a long way.
Oh, nice gold dropped.
Yeah, gold is still dropping.
Trust me, if you're in from there, you should have been adding positions, man. I would have closed lows by now.
Yeah, it's really impressive to see someone who is actually in it rather than just talking about it. Which is the best broker for Indians? Forex is illegal in India.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's illegal in India.
Oh, is it? Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Ooh, can't do that then.
If you're in GJ cells from that long and you don't know where to close, I don't even know how to approach that question.
Well, you should have closed lows by now. You should have been adding positions as you go and closed an absolute shit ton of returns by now.
Yeah, Chris, but Chris, if GJ falls more, then they will blame us. Oh, these guys told me to close.
Ah, shit. Yeah, my bad. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Don't follow my instructions.
Yeah. So I'd
like to see money in my bank, not on my screen.
If I were you, I would have closed after 10 pips.
It's like that gold trade I took last year at 12.85. I should have just held it.
Yeah.
So, God damn it.
You'd still be okay.
I took 25 pips. Now it's at 1700.
Yeah. Where is the futures guru? Oh, I don't know. Futures are down today. Everything's down today, man. Oil is dying. Oil looks like it's going to take another dive here pretty soon. Look at that 1 hour.
I think it's on a 4 hour. There's a massive wick left. I'll never look at gold. There you go. Yeah, it is. Let's see that wick there. That's got interest written all over it.
Yeah, that was.
Go ahead. Sorry.
No.
No, I was just gonna make a comment about oil. At least it's reflecting in the pumps today. I don't know if you've seen it, Rico. It's like what, 80, around the 80s now?
Yeah, we've seen it here.
Not
actually.
even the 90s. Jeez.
Ours has gone down a bit.
Yeah.
Well, it's still super expensive here compared to you lot.
You know, in the beginning when you started trading, you had that voice kept saying you could have caught more, you could have caught more. Yes. I still sometimes get that voice. So if I'm looking at gold, I only caught this small move up over here. And then I kept thinking, oh, I could have caught all this move down. But at the same time, I think I find comfort in knowing that there are people who were buying at that point. Because, yeah, you know, because whenever I win a trade, I honestly tell myself that I am in the top 10% people who made profits in Forex today. Whether that's a 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pips, whatever. I just tell myself I made profits and I'm in the top 10%.
Yeah.
And
you didn't analyze it down to 1454 either. That wasn't your target.
Yeah.
You know, your target was set where you set it. You analysed it correctly, made the trade. It's done.
It's done.
You could have held it longer, but
oh shit, GJ drop.
So you never really anticipated to go that far, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you look on daily,
that's where you look on your actual trade setup for your risk reward. It's fine.
It came right down there, and if it falls below here, I don't even know what the fuck's going on.
That's what I'm actually looking at little levels. I'm like, well, I might just have to spend some hours on the chart this afternoon.
Man, it keeps falling $10.
Yeah.
$10 after $10.
Well, this is an hour open lot, so yeah. So if you're looking at on 15, I mean, you couldn't. That candle previously is just massive still. You know?
Yeah. We analyzed this.
I don't think you can be wrong on gold right now. Just say it's going down. You're good.
Yeah.
Use the right time.
Yo, man.
Yo.
Did you catch that, GJ too?
No.
No, I went to sleep.
Damn. I went to sleep too.
Um, whoever's on this chart, whoever is on these gold charts, and if you missed these cells, and if you're looking for gold to hold the support, please don't. Just close the charts and come back the next day. Because the trade was cells, and you have missed these cells. You have to come to grips with that situation. How do you overcome the thoughts, I should have taken that trade or should I have held? Well, I tell myself I have missed it, but then I also look to see how could I. So now you have to change your mindset, right? You have to change your mindset from I should have taken that trade to the mindset of how could I have taken that trade? You know, because sometimes what's going to happen is that you can anticipate a move, just like here in GJ, right? You can anticipate a move that's going to go down, but you don't execute, or you're too scared to execute, or you're hesitant, right? So that's okay, that's going to happen. But then you got to see, oh, that okay, I was hesitant here, and price did go to where I wanted it to go. How could I have entered the trade? You start looking at the time frames. You're like, okay, maybe 5 minutes is too low of a time frame. So maybe if I go to 15 minutes, there was no confirmations. Okay, maybe if this candle was breaking down, I could have had my stop above the candle, and then I would have, you know, made profit on this trade. So now, then you're like, okay, awesome, I get it. And then you wait for the next day, because these situations will happen over and over and over again. And the more you see it, the more confident you get in executing on these situations. It's like when we were talking about when price was right over here at 129.870, that GJ will continue down and your stop is going to be up over here. So the more you see it, the better you get at executing on those opportunities. Oh, someone got stopped out on gold. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh wow, International Monetary Fund ready to mobilize $1 trillion to fight the virus. Holy shit, Monty. Someone's gonna make some money. Wow, can you imagine they're printing money to fight the virus?
The question I have is, where the hell is this money coming from, really?
They're printing it.
But like, oh, you know what? Yeah.
They have a printer.
No, I just remembered something. Like, yeah, that's what they do. They print money in the thin air.
Yeah.
And then it's this.
They're someone made a call. Hey, get those printers rolling ASAP. We need 1 trillion.
We need more ink.
We need more money. They're printing money, man. Man, the more they print money, the more like the dollar is going to get yeah. All currencies are going to get crushed. Why
would you say like the weakest ones, like to say the yen and the franc, are probably going to get hit the most because of the weak interest rates?
Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. Because the weaker the interest rates, the more loans people can take out. Because now they can get them at a lower rate.
But in that term, wouldn't that increase the wouldn't that make the currency more stronger?
No,
if more people are taking loans out of, let's say, a currency, wouldn't that instantly make it stronger?
It's gonna make it. It's gonna devalue it, because like the more money people have, that's like let's say if someone has, let's say the more money people have, then there comes a time where the country has to issue a bigger note. Right?
Hyperinflation, then that's what that would be called.
Yeah, exactly. Hyperinflation. The gold is going down because everyone's selling off gold.
Selling off gold to put into more equities. Isn't that what Ted said like some time ago? Or
yeah,
the consensus is? Yeah.
Something like that. Because the way how I see it as that people are losing money in like stocks, so the holdings in gold they're selling those holdings to keep cash at hand.
Oh, I guess to mitigate the losses, if that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
What do you think about this chart? Let's take a look. Oh, the wrong chart. That call you had Saturday really helped me catch this second trade. Oh, let's take a look here. Oh, wrong chart. Why are people sending wrong charts, man? Oh, okay, I know. I'm in a rush and want to see my second entry. Price create support. First take profit. Had second entry. Oh, nice. GJ. Very nice. What's this? Oh, beautiful. Man, you know what's my favorite thing to do at the gym? Um, I get really, really stoned. I go to the gym and then I do cardio. And then
that's fun.
I play trance music to the max. And
You
I
know,
just
I like Armin van Buren and Nora and Pierre. It's so relaxing. I'll send you the playlist.
yeah, and then I do cardio and it's just I just keep going on cardio for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's amazing. Send me that Armin van Buuren playlist, bro. I will listen to it. What would be a good sell about now? I'm thinking I'm late to the party for gold. I think you are very late to the party on gold. Gold had a big party here. Look at this. This is pre-New York. From pre-New York till up till now, gold fell $69 and 69 like $70. You're late to the party. You got to come back tomorrow. Raja, I will have arm wrestling when you come to London. No. I don't do arm wrestling. I've seen a lot of videos where people snap their elbows during arm wrestling. I'm just. We can wrestle if you want. That's okay.
Wrestle. Oh, that's it, man. Trade for the day. Gold. Buys.
Yep.
It's okay, whatever. Tomorrow's the next day.
Wicks not lie, you're muted. No, I'm just not talking. Uh, wh- why can't I? Why can't I trade Nasdaq? Because they're closed.
Do you guys want Mac to talk?
No.
Man, the Chinese sent the magic keys, and we ordered 100 more. These magic keys are revolutionary. They are just so revolutionary. It's just amazing. Like, people are just taking so much advantage of the magic keys. It's so much because the thing is, like, when you're on your MetaTrader and you're thinking about moving a stop loss, or you're thinking about moving take profit or whatever, then the moment you move your mouse to that action button, there's a lot of thought processes, and sometimes you might not move it, or you might not adjust certain risk or whatever. But with magic keys, it's just you press a button and then it's done. Then you're not overthinking, you're not overanalyzing, because you just pressed the button and it was just done. Like, it really mitigates that extra thinking process.
Easy people, how's everyone doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good man. Just out of the gym and get some fresh air.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Gyms are open there.
Yeah, people, they're half empty. They're just more than half empty. There's only like 10, 15 people in it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So yeah, it's pretty good.
Where can I find magic keys? You don't qualify for magic keys.
No, you do qualify. What do you mean?
No, Eddie.
Oh.
Somebody in the chat said.
Oh, for magic keys, everyone qualifies for magic keys.
It's a website. Well, actually, Google magic keys.trade. It's magic keys.trade, right?
Yeah. So if you go over here, youtube.com. Yeah, that's it. That's magic keys over there.
You're welcome, Eddie.
Oh, trade with Monty. Oh, Monty has 3,000 subscribers now.
Yeah, man. I've been helping him in the London session too.
Yeah. So if you go over here, and then you
Today
click.
was the first time you came in about a week.
Shut up, Keval.
Keval's like, why are you lying, man?
Yeah, that's that bullshit because I made a super nice call. You're just jealous.
Today was the first time you came on.
Shut up, Keval.
Oh, that's hilarious. So yeah, so you go to Monty's stream, you click on this link over here, and it'll get to you to Magic Keys. Creativity is intelligence having fun.
Yeah, bro, that Saturday webinar was very good, man.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I found it very
Yeah.
informational myself.
Yeah, it's very good because you know what I always, because like following the rules, like trying not to take too many trades and all this, and then when you get one, you get stopped out. You're just sitting there like, okay, what do I do now? And then okay, you can take how to take a second trade or what you should be looking for. And then also I was ending up changing my biases and all sorts as well. So that's pretty cool. That was pretty cool to get a clearer sort of thing what to do.
Yeah, exactly. I'm working on more content I'm gonna bring it towards the boot camps here too.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. Because I think the thing is, it's like you've got the basic concept, yes, and then what happens if, and that's like that comes from like just watching the charts and actually seeing it happen again and again, you know, and then you're like, okay, we can take this course of action.
Yeah, exactly.
You know.
We're going to see another drop.
Yeah, this candle is broken below the previous two candles, especially the previous one, so there's a higher chance it can continue moving bearish.
Moving into my range.
I was shooting oil instead, actually.
Oh, someone has that weird static sound in the background.
Mm.
Who's that?
It's
Panic.
Panic.
Did you get into GJ? Nope. I only took one trade, gold sells. That was about it. Alright, everybody, I'm going to head off here. I'm going to go to the gym and enjoy this small win I had.
Yeah, man. Have a good day, dude. Well done.
Yep, take care, everybody.
See you later, bud.
See you later.
See ya, bye.
See you.
Hey, Monty.
Yeah.
Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
So, from the... Oh, yeah, because Trump banned flights from UK to US.
Yeah, man. I'm done. Yeah, I'm out, man.
Yeah,
It's not cool. Not cool.
Too bad. So sad.
Yeah, disappointed, man. But I will do something else, I'm sure.
So, did you get the money back from the airlines?
Yeah, that's airline was fine. I've got to do like the Airbnb thing for what I booked up, but I think I can do that for insurance anyway. So
yeah,
well, no problem, man. But a bit annoying.
Airbnb said they'll give refunds, by the way.
Oh, I've not looked. I was going to do that after the stream. I was going to send an email and see what's up. So
yeah, hey, what's
yeah,
up,
it should be
boys?
fine. Should be fine now.
If not, dispute that shit.
Well, we'll see you in England then.
Yeah, for real. If not, I'll come over at some point, man. Have a good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Cheers later.
Bye, everybody.
Cheers, dude.
Take care.